everyone and welcome to another tutorial of mastering Arduino from beginner to core advanced. In module 4 we are going to discuss about an input such as button and giving it an output such as LED glow. Whenever we press the button to state high, the LED will glow, and whenever we release it, the LED will go back to off state. Okay. Now first of all I want to tell you that this is the most basic type of program that is been done in the physical computing. It's just a simple circuit. With the help of an on button you will get the LED on and off. Okay, but the important thing is that in this program we are using the logic of the microcontroller. You can say that when the microcontroller sets one pin high, it will perform a logical operation, then it will send the output of the digital pin that is connected to LED to high. So this is performed as an logical operation for the LED to get it brightening. Okay, first of all let's just try to write the program. The program is available at the Arduino with example in section digital named as button, but we want to make our own program. So we are doing it from the scratch. Okay, open a new tab in Arduino. Write the pin modes. In this case we need two pins, one for input and one for output. Okay, let's just give it, copy the syntax, just a second. We are copying the pin mode. Okay, we have given two pin modes. Say LED pin 2, that is input. It means that it is taking the signal from it is reading the signal for state high or low. Okay, and we are selecting LED pin 3 as the output or the pin at which the LED is connected. Okay, that's it. Now here let's just declare an integer. Say int b before button, int b. Okay, we have declared the integer. Call b. Let's just give a simple example for reading the details. We need b to store the value of the reading that is done when the digital pin 2 is getting high or low. So it is simple. Write digital capital READ digital read. It will turn into orange. Let's say pin number 2. In our case it is pin number 2. Okay, so the LED pin no. So the integer b will store the value of the digital pin 2 in it. Okay, and just write a simple logic. If b is equal to 1, we can say digital write digital write pin number 3 comma high, high. Or we also need an else statement in it. Else digital write digital write pin number 3 LOW. Okay, let's just see the syntax of it. At first we have declared two pins such as pin number 2 as input, and we are writing pin number 3 as an output. The pin number 2 will be used for reading the value, and pin number 2 will be used to reading the value, while the pin number 3 is connected to an LED to give us an output. Okay, and in here we have declared an integer, but for the betterment of the practice we are always trying to declare the integer at the top of board setup. Okay, we have made it here. Okay, integer b, and let's just say the initial value of integer b is 0. It will be for betterment of the program and improving the performance. Okay, at the first value of integer b will be 0, but after entering in void loop, the integer b will read the value of the pin number 2 as digital read. If pin number 2 goes high, b will be 1, and if the pin number 2 goes low, the b will be 0. Now for the if statement, the condition is if b is equal to 1 or b is equal to, you can say, high, then the operation of digital write pin number 3 will go high or it will glow the LED. And then for the else statement, it is necessary we are giving an else statement saying that if the value of b is not equal to 1, then light will turn off, or you can say pin number 3 will be low. Okay, let's just compile it. We are compiling it, giving a name button button. Okay, it's compiling. Just wait a second. Okay, we are uploading it to the board and the upload is done. Okay, let's just check it. Here you can see a wire is connected to 5 volt and this is pin number 2. Whenever we connect this wire, it will turn on high. But remember one thing, that because of the garbage values, LED can turn high for few more seconds. For that we have to connect the high pin number 2 wire to ground to get it low. Okay, see, you turn it high, you turn it low, you turn it high, you turn it low. It is better to use wires in place of button for testing, because in button you can get the garbage value, or you can say the micro values of initially getting high and low, causing the transient, which will give a random values of high and low, which will make the LED to flicker. This is because the processing speed of the microcontroller, because it deals in milliseconds. So removing the transient, we are directly connecting wires. Let's just see once again. This is because of garbage value. Now see here, it turns on, turns off, turns on, turns off. Okay, this is the use of button value, and button will be very useful for many applications, because in most of the cases there is no button, but there will be sensors. They are digital sensors. They will be giving a value of high or low, and for that system of getting value high or low, you need a simple logical program such as written here to getting the value and perform a digital operation and perform an operation such as digital write pin high. You can be using another motors or anything, but in our cases we have made it the most simpler format, such as glowing an LED. Okay, the code will be present within the beginning of the PPT, and thanks for watching. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, thanks for watching.